The World Health Organization says malaria is a major health burden globally, while nearly 80% of deaths in the African region are among children under age 5. Worried by this high number, the Amina Ejiofor Foundation at a press briefing in Abuja on Thursday launched a new campaign tagged Extinct Malaria, with the sole aim of putting an end to malaria in children and pregnant women in Nigeria by 2030. Health correspondent Tosin Daniella Adeyemi tells us more.
The National Coordinator Amina Ejiofor Foundation, Mrs. Amina Ejiofor, at the flag-off of the Extinct Malaria campaign, emphasized the need to put an end to malaria in children and pregnant women by the year 2030.
Amina Ejiofor Foundation is committed to making that difference. We're committed to doing things differently. We're committed to following things to the latter, to make sure that if vaccines are meant to reach 1 million children, it must reach 1 million children. We cannot be part of this fight and then fold our arms and watch things be done the same way it has been done. We have a target that by 2013 we want a zero-free or zero malaria Nigeria.
Other speakers at the event include Dr. Malaria Olagunju, a family health physician with Neph Specialist Hospital Abuja, and Alice Benson, program coordinator, Create That Change Development Initiative. Both highlighted the need for more partnership with relevant agencies towards changing the negative narrative of Nigeria being the most malaria prevalent country in the world.
The parasites, Plasmodium falciparum, that causes the largest incidence of malaria that we have. There are different types of parasites. We have vivax, we have ovarian, and malaria. But the one that is most prevalent here is falciparum. These parasites have become smarter than we know. So they develop mutated genes. They have tweaked their gene to be a little smarter than the drugs we're using, than the drugs we're familiar with.
In our reach, we've come to discover that the number one cause of absenteeism in school is malaria, is these sicknesses, and this obviously has impacts on these children because they don't get to come to school, they don't get to learn what they're supposed to learn, and they miss out on a lot in their education process. And I must commend Amina Ejiofor Foundation for this laudable campaign.
The campaign launch is aimed at embarking on awareness program to control and mitigate malaria in the world by 2030. Tosin Daniella Adeyemi, ASO TV News.